Hello everyone. Today we will talk about insulators and conductors. We have a project here that we will pass to Ma'am Rose on Monday. Firstly, my name is Kier. My name is David. My name is Darda.
My name is Briggs.
My name is Edward. My name is Summer. And my name is Ian. First, we have a chest piece. It does not know it's an insulator. And we have a metal piece. And it glows. That means it's a conductor. E. That is conductor.
This is one piece of battery. This is conductors.
This is plastic cord. This is insulator. This is popsicle stick. It not flows. This is insulator. This is plastic spoon. Insulator. Scissors. It is a conductor. Glue. Thank you. Glue. Stick. Doesn't glow. It's a insulator. That's all. Thank you for watching. Ano rin mo? Cut mo yun, ha? Oo.